Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about the domains and how you can assign the domains inside the hosting. In this video we're going to talk about the redirects and also transfer subdomains. So we will discuss all about step by step. So first we're going to talk about the redirects. I'm going to click on that. Inside there have two radio buttons. First one is permanent. This is a code of the permanent 301, and the next one is a temporary. The code is 302. What this means you will redirect with one domain to another domain. You can use this method. So let's just a minute. I open my. For example, here is a domain babysalmon.com. I want to redirect this domain with OnlineITtuts.com. So I will use this one section, but this is my domain associated with my hosting, right? Without associated, you can't redirect the domain from the hosting, right? So first I'm going to show you this one site, and right, this is a site, but anyone user enter this one domain, then who will redirect on my this one site, right? So let's do that. So step number one, select the particular domain which you want to select that to redirect with another domain. So I'm going to select the domain is babysalmon.com, and where you want to redirect. So I'm gonna redirect on this one site, so I'm gonna copy that and paste on there, right? Then the next thing, you need to select the only redirect with www, right? And also you need to check box 8 and click to add this redirect. Once you do that, then you will able to see the redirection will complete. Okay, back to redirects, and here's a redirection table appear after creating a redirection. So let's see it's working or not. I'm gonna open babysalmon.com. okay, it's working. I don't know why. I remove that, and again I will select another domain. So let's see. I select the domain. Okay, I select domain on not online. I'm gonna select again babysalmon and redirect with this one domain, OnlineITtuts.com, and use the redirect with and check mark 8. Right, so let's see this time it's working or not. So I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna open a new tab browser, private browser, because sometimes we are facing a cache problem. Yes, as you can see, I'm able to see my site OnlineITtuts.com. I open again babysalmon.com. I can't see there, right? So this is a called redirection. I'm going to close that, and inside the table you can manage that. For example, you want to remove the redirection, you just click to remove sign, right? Click to remove redirects. That's very simple. Go back. So this is a call redirection, right? Let's talk about the transfer. For example, I click on transfer, and inside this section, if you bought a domain from Bluehost and you want to transfer this one domain with another company or another domain registration website, so you can use this one method on there. But this time I'll leave that because this is not important inside the Bluehost account, right? This is for only web hosting company. this is also have a domain registration, but mostly users buying domains and hosting domains from GoDaddy and Namecheap, right? So I already bought the domains from GoDaddy, as you can see, GoDaddy and also Namecheap, right? So let's talk about the subdomains, and this is very important, very important. For example, you want to create a subdomain, you can use the subdomain feature inside this one section. Let's see. I have a site babysomeone.com. I want to create a subdomain with this domain, inside this domain. So I go to this one subdomain area and write the domain name. You can write any name as you want. For example, I remove this one, and I open this one. So I zoom it, and this is my domain. Before the domain name, this is the domain name. Before the domain name, you can write any name as you want. For example, I'm going to use Cpanel. Then after the Cpanel, as you can see, this is a dot has been appeared after the text input text field. Means after the domain subdomain name, you will able to see dot. This is a called subdomain. This is your name, this is your domain name, and this is a extension. So anyone user visit on this one subdomain, then who will able to see different website, different category, different folder. So you can use this way to create a subdomain. Let's see. I'm going to create a subdomain like Cpanel, right? And I'm going to select the particular domain, which domain you want to use there to create a subdomain. Cpanel.babysomeone.com. Once you write the name on there, then the Cpanel folder will create inside public_HTML folder. I mean HTML directory. This is a very important. I will teach you on later the file manager. Inside the file manager, you will see public_HTML. And this is a text home folder, aka document root for your subdomain, like this one. Inside this one section, you will see this one folder, Cpanel. You can change the domain name, subdomain name. You can do that. So in my case, I'm going to create that, and you have existing. Okay, I'm going to return that, and I'm going to change the name of the demo and babysomeone.com. Create that. Okay, I think we have seen you existing DNS. Okay, I will add another. I will select another domain because this domain has some problem. So I'm gonna select this one domain, OnlineITtuts.com, and I'm gonna use demo. Create a subdomain, and your subdomain will create after this one process. Yes, demo.onlineITtuts.com has been created. This is a call subdomain, right? And this is your domain name, and this is a call subdomain, right? Return to subdomains and go down and find out your domain. I'll answer it, as you can see, demo OnlineITtuts.com, and this is your public_HTML directory. I will teach you on later this one, and this is redirected, not now, but you can also change that to, use the action to remove that. For example, I want to remove the demo babysomeone.com. I just click to delete subdomain, and wait for a few seconds and you will able to see what back to subdomain. Domain babysummer.com has been removed from your subdomain area. So this is a very simple way to create a subdomain inside the hosting or cPanel, right? So let's see if you want to create another domain, subdomain. For example, I select again same domain and I'm going to create another type domain. For example, I'm going to write tutorials dot this is a default dot O1nlineITtuts.com. So I'm going to click to create, then the domain subdomain will create automatically, and also the directory, or you can say that folder, will create inside my file manager. So as you can see, tutorials.O1nlineITtuts.com has been created. Return to subdomains and let's see. As you can see, tutorials.O1nlineITtuts.com has been created. So this is a call your subdomain. I'm going to copy that and paste on there, and this is your call subdomain. Copy that and paste on there. This is subdomain. Copy that. Let's copy that and open that on the tab. You can't see anything else because this is a call subdomain. We will manage that on later and we will upload the website on there. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.